Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to our letter of the day. Our letter today says qua, qua, qua. Our letter is Q. Now, as we start, you're going to be on your bottom. You're going to cross your legs and put both your hands underneath your right leg. You're going to breathe in. Now we're going to say, you got this. All right, boys and girls. Q is our letter for today. Q says, qua, qua, queen. So we're going to put our queen up there. Oh, we're going to have our board fall over too. Now, what does a Q look like? What do you see here? I see a letter O and a little line at the bottom. That's our uppercase Q. And our lowercase Q, it kind of looks like some of the other letters we have, but has a little tail. Now, the direction the tail is pointing is very important to writing the letter correctly. So let's do it together. Start with our uppercase. Get your marker out. So our uppercase is a circle. And we're going to put our little line. Start a little in the middle and just do a line out. That's our letter Q. Now you want to make sure the line is on the right side of the O. And there's our Q. Our lowercase Q, we're going to start with a circle, a little circle. And then on the right side of the circle, we're going to take our marker, go straight down, and then go little tail. And that's our lowercase Q. Excellent job. Now, boys and girls, Q is a letter that is in very specific words and not in a lot of names. But there are some names. I don't believe there are any in our classroom, but just to be safe, let's make sure. So if you see a Q in someone's name, you gotta yell, stop. No one in our class has the letter Q in their name. Now, something important when you're looking for the letter Q is that a U is right after it in the word. So let's write some examples of words that have the letter Q. Our first example, we'll use our letter right there, is queen. Q-U-E-E-N. That's the word queen. Another word is quail. Quail is a type of bird. Q-U-A-I-L. Quail. Now, do you notice how there's always a U after the Q? And U is a letter we're going to learn later this week. But if you think of any other words or any other names that you know that have a letter Q in them, let me know, because I'd love to learn more words that have the letter Q in them. Now, next we have to find blank objects that begin with letter Q. How many objects should we do? Let's try. 1. So we're going to find one object that has the letter Q in it or starts with letter Q. Now, you might need some help with this, and that's perfectly okay. Letter Q can be very, very, very tricky, but I know you guys can do it. Now, our last thing we have to do today, what does letter Q say? Can you say it for me? 1, 2, 3. Qua, qua, qua. Excellent job, boys and girls. I will see you tomorrow.